Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Veracity Markets. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Veracity Markets is a newly launched, proudly South African forex broker that was founded in 2020. They are regulated by the FSCA, and all client funds are held in segregated accounts separate from the company's funds. As a client of Veracity Markets, you will be able to choose from 3 types of accounts that you can use to trade over 250 instruments on the MetaTrader 4 platform. Veracity Markets guarantees immediate deposits and withdrawals with ultra-low spreads and negative balance protection. The website can be viewed in 20 languages, and customer support is available 24 hours a day. Veracity does not currently offer any educational resources, but they do offer competitive trading conditions, and there are plenty of resources online that can be used to help you learn how to trade and how to use the MetaTrader platforms. So don't be discouraged if you're a beginner. You can practice on a demo account as you learn, and there are many benefits to trading with Veracity Markets. The broker offers a user-friendly website. Their main features are displayed on the homepage, and you will also find more information about the accounts and trading conditions offered by scrolling down the homepage. To find out more about the instruments you can trade with Veracity Markets, either click on the Trading tab and select an option from the instruments list, or scroll down to the bottom of the homepage and click on one of the trading instruments in the boxes that appear. Veracity Markets currently offers more than 38 currency pairs and tight spreads. It does not seem like Veracity Markets currently offers a sign-up bonus. However, you can benefit from tight spreads and commission-free trading. As a Veracity Markets client, you will be able to trade using the MetaTrader 4 platform. MetaTrader 4 is currently one of the most popular trading platforms in the world. It was released in 2005, and this platform is renowned for its advanced analysis tools, technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor support, and more. With MetaTrader 4, you get access to 3 types of order execution, one-click and algorithmic trading, fundamental analysis with news and signals in your terminal window, suggested trading strategies, expert advisors, and more. MetaTrader 4 is available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Veracity Markets offers 3 types of trading accounts, and clients have the option of converting their accounts to swap-free accounts or practicing with demo accounts. The first account type that you can open with Veracity Markets is the standard account. This is a commission-free STP account that offers floating spreads from 1.6 pips and liquidity from 22 banks. Your account is protected by negative balance protection and a proprietary automated risk management system. The minimum opening deposit on the standard account is $250, and a swap-free conversion is available. The next account that you can open as a Veracity Markets client is the fixed account. With this account, you can enjoy professional trading conditions and prioritized customer support. This account is designed for professional and institutional traders and comes with 24-hour dedicated support and account management services. You will also have the option of converting your account to a swap-free account if you meet the requirements. This account charges no commission fees and requires a minimum deposit of $250. The third account type that is offered by Veracity Markets is the ECN account, which offers ultra-low spreads starting at 0 pips, and no requotes are guaranteed. When trading with this account, a small commission fee is charged, but the tight spreads make up for that. The ECN account cannot be converted to a swap-free account, but the minimum deposit for this account is also $250. and you can have an unlimited number of open positions at any given time. Opening an account with Veracity Markets is simple and easy, and you can create your account in less than a minute. Firstly, launch the Veracity Markets homepage, and then click on the Sign Up button. Enter your full name, email address, and contact information, and select your country of residence. Remember to choose a strong password for your account, and submit your phone number. Then complete the online application. Verify your account and email address, and simply log into your account. And once you have submitted the appropriate documentation, and your account is approved, you can fund your account and start trading. After you have opened your account, you will be redirected to the Veracity Markets client zone, where you will need to submit the required information if you are opening a live account. If you are creating a demo account, you can simply head over to the Account section and click on Create a Demo Account. Once you have opened your account, the next step would be to download and install the MetaTrader 4 platform. And once you have installed the platform, simply log in with the credentials provided. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 terminal with Veracity Markets. In the center you have your graph, on the left your navigator and market watch, and at the top of the screen a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to trading and would like to learn more about the MetaTrader platform, the MetaTrader platform offers traders with a wide variety of trading tools, materials, and resources to help you get started. As mentioned before, Veracity Markets does not offer traders any educational tools, resources, or materials on their website. Overall, Veracity Markets is a reputable broker with competitive trading conditions and flexible accounts, and we highly recommend this broker for intermediate to advanced traders who enjoy using the MetaTrader 4 platform. Despite the lack of educational materials provided, it does not mean that Veracity Markets is not a beginner-friendly broker, because there are plenty of resources available online that you can use with your demo account to learn how to trade, and you will benefit from 24-hour customer support, low fees, and competitive trading conditions. Veracity Markets is a young broker that shows enormous potential as a CFD broker. In addition to offering competitive rates and a transparent fee schedule, Veracity Markets also caters to a variety of traders, despite their level of experience. They have no hidden fees, and their fee offerings are open and transparent. They include 24/7 customer support in several languages and through a variety of communication options. The only drawback is no educational or research tools to assist new or more advanced traders in their activities. This is, however, covered through the use of trading platforms. And that is our overview of Veracity Markets. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.